to my channel World Talks Food Walks. Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy biscuits. It is very easy again, and the ingredients are maida 1 cup, the all-purpose flour. We need chili powder, it's half teaspoon. We need salt 1/4 teaspoon. Water for kneading. Oil for frying. So I'm gonna mix all the ingredients. 1 cup of maida, half cup of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm using less salt here so that when we fry it in oil, the spiciness will reduce, so the salt content should not increase. So I'm using less salt here. Try this way, it will make a perfect recipe for you. So add water little by little and knead it like a puri dough. Don't make it too soft, just make it like a puri dough. Add water little by little. So the dough is now ready. Just knead it to a smooth dough. So the kneading is over. So I'll be rolling this with the help of a rolling pin and the board. You can use maida for dusting. It does not stick to the board, but you can use little of maida so that it easily rolls up. I'll show you the thickness. Don't make it too thick. It will not fry properly if you make it too thick. I'll show you what kind of thickness we needed. Can you see now? So it easily comes off the board as well. Now we'll cut it into small squares or diamond shapes, whatever you prefer. I prefer cutting it into a diamond shape so that it looks good as well. So use your knife here. You can see the way I'm cutting here. It's very easy to cut, it doesn't stick as well. So you can have it ready and fry all of them together. You can transfer this to a plate. So you need not worry if I roll and keep, it will stick to each other and it will be difficult for me to pick each piece and fry it in the oil. So it will not get stick to each other. So don't worry about it. So I'll be transferring this to a plate as I told before. See how easily it is coming off the board. Now let's fry this into batches in an oil. It will not take much time, just about 1 minute, so that it turns into a light golden color. Don't fry it too much, otherwise it will get burnt. Once it turns into a golden color, we know that it is cooked on both the sides. Just make sure it's cooked on both the sides. When you do it for the first time, it might be difficult for you. So once you fry up batch 1, taste and see. So you'll get to know it's cooked. So the spicy biscuits are now ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.